My luck, luck. Hi, luck, luck. Thinking very far, luck, luck. Why? This cage, why you always looking at this? Huh? Live animals ready to fly tomorrow. Oh, he's so sad now. If ever I talk about, he's going to fly soon or tomorrow, can you see his reaction? Luck, luck. Are you going to fly tomorrow, baby? Oh, yo, missing auntie here. Now I'm going to your house. Ayah. Missing here in Hong Kong. Tomorrow you're in. You travel from Hong Kong to Germany, Germany to UK, and see mommy and daddy, Chloe and Popo. Ayah. Why so sad? Why very sad, baby? Live animals ready to fly na. Why so sad? Ayah, so sad. Why? Why so sad? Baby Sherlock. Why so sad, baby? You know that you're flying tomorrow? Huh? You know that you're flying tomorrow now. Ayah, you're leaving me here. Ayah, so sad. My God. Ayah, I wanna cry too. You're leaving me here. Ayah, my baby Sherlock. You're listening what I'm talking, right? You know what I'm talking? You're flying tomorrow. Ayah, you see your ear? Oh, you know that you're gonna fly tomorrow, baby. Ayah. You're flying tomorrow na, baby Sherlock. Why so sad? Ayah. Flying na, my baby Sherlock. Ayah. How come this reaction? You really knows what I'm talking, right? Huh, baby? Tomorrow your flight to Yoki na. See your eyes keep on blinking, blinking. Your ear is moving. If this ear is standing, it means to see that you are listening, right? Huh? You know what I'm talking, right? Tomorrow, gonna fly from Hong Kong to Germany, Germany to UK, and meet daddy, mommy there. Huh, baby? Why so sad? You're not happy living here? But what can I do? If only I can bring you home, I will bring you, I bring you home. But you know that mommy and daddy also want you to go there and visit them, Ay, what to do? So I'm so sad here also, that you are leaving. I can't do anything. Hi, baby. Come here. Ayah. So sad. So sad. Wow. You're really thinking very far. Huh, baby? So sad. He really very sad. Wanna cry too. Love you, baby Sherlock.